jumps in that bed, or once Mr. Darcy. That'll jump the bed. Careful, Gracie's there. Watch out. Gracie's trying to play. Oh, how cute. Good boy, Mr. Darcy. You're such a good big brother. Mr. D, you be nice to your sissy. Hobbs. Now you're after Nettle, huh? Mr. D's taking another approach. Oh, Darcy still is playing with little Miss Gracie. A little bit. Oh, Gracie's ready. Oh, she pounced on her brother. Oh my gosh. No, brother. She can pounce on you. You can't pounce on him. What are you thinking, you little tigress? You're crazy. She's crazy. She wants to attack him. You can't do that, guys. Come on. You can't do that. Gracie, why are you trying to get him? You crazy? Are you crazy? Are you crazy, girl? Come on, Dee. You get over here. Rawr. There we go. There we go. Get in there. Rawr. Now everybody leaves. Oh, and Gracie got a tiny toy. So cute. She's gonna play with it. Oh, she's gonna attack somebody else now. Who are you gonna attack, Gracie? Ella? Oh, I think so. No, guess not. Say hi to the hairy beast. Oh, she's gonna get her. Uh-oh. She went up on the sofa.